a round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. I need to make a roll call. Saan po dito yung ating mga medical students? The clerks whom we have invited to join us for this program. Actually, this is very important that you join this program, this activity, so that hopefully you can be inspired by the success of your seniors. May I ask those students at the back to please occupy the seats here on the right side of the floor. Thank you. Magandang umaga, my colleagues and guests, and welcome to this testimonial program. This year, the UNP College of Medicine celebrates a very important milestone. Our 30 years in medical education, graduating more than 1,000 of new doctors since we began in 1996. These doctors are now serving as specialists in their own field, here and overseas. A few have found their way back to us to join in the academia, fulfilling their promise to give back to their alma mater for their renowned standing in the present society. The year 2026 ushered in a breath of fresh air, an omen for good things to come. As we welcome you to this testimonial program, we would like to thank our new physicians for giving the college a very strong kickoff for this academic year. Again, the Lord has granted the prayers of 110 of you as you pass the licensure examination, and to which we are very happy and proud of. And after all this time, we celebrate our first ever graduate to make it to the top 10 examinees, our very own Dr. Angela Arma, ranking 10 in the physician's licensure examination. Congratulations and thank you very much. Congratulations also to the college for being recognized finally in the broadsheets as one of the medical schools in the country producing the highest number of new physicians every year. Thank you, dear faculty, for your admirable commitment to the goals and objectives of the college. As you can see, we are very few. So these are the very few yet dedicated medical faculty, making the College of Medicine strong and determined for its purpose of existence in the nation that we have now. Thank you so much. And I'm very proud of every one of them. I feel this may be the last time that you'll ever listen to the advice that we have to say. But I will take this opportunity anyhow. As you enter this new world of profession, always remember the first principle of medicine. First, do harm. Primum non nocere. That sink in for a moment. In this age of massive technological ups and downs, you must be cautious with that license that you now hold. Guard it with your credibility and integrity. Imagine the labor and efforts that you had undergone just to get that license. Practice your profession carefully with only your patient's best interest in mind, for in doing so, you can do no wrong. Neither one of us, your tutors, can guarantee that you will have a flourishing success when you start your private practice. But it would be decided upon by how you treat your every patient that sits across your examination table. Treat them as humans who are in pain and who are suffering, and not as cash banks to feed your luxury lifestyle. Whether you go to DTTV deployment or immediately go to residency training, always remember that you only exist because your patients exist. And our code of ethics dictate that you treat them with respect and dignity. On behalf of the esteemed medical faculty of the College of Medicine of this university, may I extend my warmest welcome to each of you today, as we also welcome your dear parents and friends whom I know are overjoyed and immensely proud of your success. We wish you the best of the years ahead, and we pray for the Lord to bless you as much as you show kindness to your patients. Congratulations and good morning.
There we have it, ladies